Hey everybody! So we are having Philly cheesesteaks tonight for dinner. I have some thinly sliced beef, some homegrown bell peppers. They're coming in. So I used a few of those. They were small, but they were starting to turn red. See, some of them are turning red, so I picked them to give the other ones a chance to get more bigger. So I just have bell pepper, onion, thinly sliced beef, some Lowry's and garlic, and I cooked it in a little bit of butter and olive oil. So I thought with it we would do these fries in a jar. So I've got my oil getting hot. Good seal. So you want to drain these, and we're gonna get them dry on paper towel. So you don't want to put anything wet in your hot oil, and if this were a situation, you would not pour this down the drain. You would keep it, use it in soup, whatever, and you can still do that. Could use it in soup or your instant mashed potatoes, whatever. So that's what they look like. Just drying them off. Now these are already cooked, so we're just going to get them browned up. Dogs are outside going nuts over something. I need to get the rest of this polish off my nails. That lasted all of 8 hours. Okay. Sizzle, sizzle, fry, fry. Everybody's in the pool. We got these rolls at Wally World, so we're going to use those for sandwiches. He's going to have smoked Gouda on his, and I'm going to do mine like Cheez Whiz with some of this cheese we have left. Last time I fried in this pan, my fish stuck to the bottom, so I don't want my fries to stick. It's really weird. Okay, got a cough. So did you all like the motorcycle chicken? I love that little contraption. It's so much easier than the beer can, because a beer can get a little wobbly and unstable and disasters happen. So we're just going to let these fry. I see one getting a golden brown over there. Then we'll taste them. I thought I got paper towels to drain them. Could put them on a rack or a basket, whatever. To drain. We'll probably need to start working without paper towels. Save money. Or brown paper bag. And then we'll taste one when it's cool enough to bite. Always burning my lips off for you guys. So I broke one. I'm going to leave them alone. Smells like French fries. Potatoes. Let's just leave them alone when they're cooking. So I will come back when they're fried, so you don't have to sit here and stare at nothing. Okay, they're getting a nice golden brown on them. Take some of these out. You just leave them alone, they get a nice golden. Mitzi's in her room just working. Can you hear it? Turn off the heat. Throw some salt on them. And I'm going to make our sandwiches in a plate and we will taste this. Okay, here's my dinner. I got hubby situated. And let's try our fries. Can you up some fries? Well worth it. My husband even said they're damn good. So, anyways, that's dinner tonight. Just thought we'd do those fries and see how they turned out. You all stay safe, you stay healthy, and have a nice dinner. It's going to cool off to 72 tonight and be in like the 80s and mid-90s this week and rain. So, I'm excited. You all stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.